Hello and welcome to another unprofessional video from professional cooks, Thomas Frick and Bolash.
Hello, I am Bolash.
And today is the 17th of May when we're filming this video. It is a very beautiful spring day, and on the 17th of May, Norway has been set free. Another thing that happened today is also that my dear colleagues Luke and Inga Carob have married. So it's also a wedding anniversary. Wow! So we have a big celebration today. And in addition to that, I am making a cake to my friend Elvira, who asked me to make a video for a vegan cheesecake. And today I'm going to show her how I'm making my favorite cheesecake. And I'm super excited about this recipe because it is actually a mixture of my grandma's, it's called Zupfkuchen in German, and the cheesecake that we have here at Fredheim. It's a recipe that I can share in the description box and you will really enjoy it. So I'm going to start with my base, and this base is from my grandmother. This is her recipe. I have adjusted it slightly, but by the way, I want to say thank you for my uncle, whose name is also Thomas. He gave me this recipe from my grandmother. So let's start. We have our flour. So we start with the dry mixture for the base. We have half of this is spelt flour, whole grain, and the other half is fine white flour.
Yummy.
I'm going to put a little bit of salt, just a little pinch.
Salt?
Yep. And 1 package of baking powder. I will also put the link, the recipe in the description of this one. 1 package is like maybe 1 teaspoon, maybe a little bit more. There you go. And I put a mixture of cocoa. There's actually not cocoa powder, but a cocoa drink that we had still. And carob, but you can just try normal cocoa powder or carob powder as what you like. Mixing this in, and then I put sugar. I again would like to tell you that sugar is not healthy for your body, but we're just trying to use up all our sugar that we have in the house, and so I'm using this now. This is the last bit.
What is this?
This is also sugar. It's later for the filling.
Aha.
So here are the ingredients for the filling. We will do that later on. I'm mixing the dry ingredients. This will be delicious. It smells like cocoa, like hot chocolate, basically.
Yummy.
This is very nice, and it's a sunny summer day, sunny spring day actually. This you may have wanted to sift this. I just realized because there are some lumps, but it's okay for us, for our purposes now. I think it's fine.
Nice.
I'm not so super professional. That's the purpose of all of this, right? Of being professional, so that you at home can do the same. That is my goal, that's my wish, that you can do it. And you can even make it better than I. Because you are maybe a little bit better when it comes to preparation and all these things. So let's mix in the margarine. 200 grams of margarine. The amounts, of course, I will put all in the description box. I forgot not to mention all of the other amounts, but you will find it in the description. This is super nice. Look at this nice dough. I'm really excited about this because I have never made this recipe from my grandma. It's called Zupfkuchen. And it's a
Zupfkuchen.
Russian recipe.
Yeah,
I
Russian.
think so, yeah.
Wow.
Zupfkuchen. It's a German word, but a Russian recipe. And I don't actually know where it comes from, but it's good. Oh, I almost forgot our egg. An egg. I made a flax egg. It's hot water, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds with 3 to 4 tablespoons of hot water. This one I mixed in some soy milk, so it's actually a mixture of soy milk and hot water. And I mix it in our mixture.
Yummy.
Let's get the flax seeds in as well. Flax seeds are super healthy. I like to mention this because everyone should eat 1 tablespoon of flax seeds every day.
Ooh. This is healthy?
It's very healthy.
Why?
Because it gives you omega-3 fatty acids. It's good for your brain, I think. I'm not exactly sure.
Yummy.
Omega-3 is essential in your body. You're running the camera wrong. Oh, look, this starts to look very good. Look at this. This is the way it should look. Very nice and soft. And yes, perfectly perfect.
Yummy, yummy.
Yum, 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 yummy, yummy. How do you like my new haircut, Bolash?
Oh, yeah. Ooh, very beautiful. Very sexy. Oh.
Yeah.
You make this?
I'm not super satisfied because Rodel did it. I'm of course very thankful that he did it, but next time I will ask somebody who has cut hair before.
Look is very good.
Luke is good?
Look is very good cut.
I will ask Luke next time.
Yeah.
So.
And?
I'm going to mix 1/3 of this mixture. Take 1/3 of this mixture. Put it in the bottom of our pan.
Clutch.
It's not so important how it looks like. The most important thing is that
Delicious.
it tastes good. Okay, so this is done. Now we're going to continue with our filling. Filling is very healthy. We have very good ingredients for this one, except the sugar, unfortunately. I have some cashew nuts. In the original recipe, it's only cashew nuts, but here I added some coconut oil because I didn't have enough cashew nuts.
Good.
Here you go. Two tablespoons tahini.
Tahini? What is tahini?
Tahini is a paste made from sesame seeds.
Okay. Why good? Or why?
It's a lot of calcium. And I think everyone should also eat 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. There's lots of good ingredients.
And what is this? Lemon juice?
This is lemon juice from 1.5 lemon. Then we have coconut milk.
Coconut milk?
400 milliliters.
Yummy.
We have, it's supposed to be vanilla powder, but we just put the vanilla bean because it's going to be blended fine. And then instead of maple syrup, I'm putting, again, powdered sugar. Forgive me for this, because it's not the best choice. And then some cornstarch.
Yoo-hoo!
2 tablespoons of cornstarch in our mixture.
What?
1,
2.
2. This recipe is with chickpeas.
Chickpeas.
I can recommend chickpeas in your diet. Beans is very healthy in general.
Und?
Mess here.
Oopsie.
Oh, this is not it. Then I have some lemon peel.
Ja.
It's also very yummy. And that's it. Yes. Okay, our mixture is finished.
Nice.
I usually, when I want to make something really smooth, I'm mixing it for at least 2 minutes. And you see what I did in these 2 minutes? I cleaned up a little bit of the kitchen. So you can do something useful in the meantime. Now I'm going to pour this mixture in our baking form. And to make it a Russian Zupfkuchen, to finish off this, we need the Russian Zupfis, however this is called in English. I don't know. And this is basically some randomly placed chocolate parts in the cake. Ta-da! Look, doesn't it look nice? I like it. And it's not much work. It's just
Chup, chup, chup.
chup, chup, chup. That's right. Chup, chup, chup. Very easy. Today is 17th of May. Happy birthday, Norway. I should make a cake with the colors of Norway, but I didn't.
Banana?
Just wearing
Banana? No?
Norway.
No way. Oh,
No way.
no way.
No way banana in the Norway cake. But we wear the Norwegian colors. Have you seen it already?
Ja. Red?
Here. Blue,
Blue,
red,
Red.
white.
White. I am also. I am red, blue and white.
But Bolash cannot show his red part because it is it's his underwear. Psst, psst.
Security, secret. Secret part.
Secret part. Private part.
A private part, yeah.
Oh, this is so nice. Look at this, so beautiful. So nice and so delicious. You will enjoy this cheesecake someday at home when you make it on your own. Elvira, my friend, I know you like this cake. I hope you will make it at home. So, yes, I think I can stop here. Cake is now in the oven for at least, I think, 45 minutes. I hope you will be blessed and you will also enjoy this day in a special way. And I see you next time with a new video about healthy cooking. God bless. Bye bye.
I tried it. Thomas. Spy? Spy? Or what is this?
Cake.
Cake. Yeah, cake. No.
Wow.
Oh. So. Tasty. So. Oh.
Wow.
Perfect.
Perfect.
This is,
This is the best. Okay.
Really good.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.